Hello! It is another day of crafting. I have been collecting or hoarding, however you want to describe it. For these round lids, I want to turn them into peppermint candy. And then for these toilet paper rolls, I am thinking giant sprinkles. So let's go. Okay, those are the colors of sprinkles. Purple, white, yellow, orange, pink, blue. Let's go pay! I almost dropped it. Oh no! Oops. Hello. We're gonna go ahead and start painting these toilet paper rolls. Can we count and then just divide it by the colors? Okay. 4 of each. Just make sure this is dry. I need to try and figure out how to paint this spiral design. So this is a pearl finish acrylic paint. So I'm actually curious what it'll look like. I wonder if it'll give some sort of shiny look to it. Ooh. Do you guys, oh, that's really cool. Let's go ahead and test it out. Oh my. Maybe I need to not try so much of a swirl and I just need to paint out. Like that. As thin as possible and then... Oh my god. Ooh. Hello, it is day 2 of upcycling all of our trash into candy, and the peppermints are looking so cute. I'm still finishing up the purple ones. I think they need a second coat. So I have this left over from last year's Halloween decor. So this is a triple thick glaze and it's high gloss. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray one coat for now. Now that I have all my sprinkles painted with at least one coat, some of these probably need another coat. I'm a little bit concerned with how these are going to look. Unless you're looking at it straight on, it's gonna look a little weird. One idea I had was, why don't I cut this in half? Which I think is gonna turn out great because that means I have double the sprinkles as well. Wilson, there should be 6 peppermints. No, no, no. Wilson, no. One done. I should test it out first too. It's pretty sturdy, look. It rained last night, so let's see if our sprinkle held up. It's still there. Wow, it's pretty sturdy. Okay, I decided to take it back in. I'm gonna have to do some brainstorming. Okay, just press down. Should we put it like next to here? Why is this so difficult? It's supposed to be just random, like as if we threw it. Using this chopstick to make sure the peel and stick is not. We should make a rule. How about no two of the same color on the same row, right?
I think how random is.
But it needs to be aesthetic random.